Thanks for coming to another unboxing. Today we actually unboxed a mini split system. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's off now. We're going to turn it on with the remote. It says it does cool down all the way to 61 Fahrenheit. Right there it is on, and it is pretty silent. Turbo. That's it in turbo mode. It's in turbo and swing. So that's going to help get the air around the room. We're going to go ahead and switch it to mute. A little ear will come out of the remote, and it got very silent, but it's still cooling. We have the option for the swing here. We have a fan up and down so we can change our temperature. We have display, so it turns off the display there in case it's in a bedroom. That way the blue light won't bother you. We have a sleep timer. The sleep timer, you can go from half an hour all the way to 24 hours, and you have anti-mildew. So we went ahead and recorded the setup process, so we'll show a few clips of that. Here, my grandfather got the cardboard template, cut out the circle, and then we put the mount based on the cardboard template, screwed in some screws. Here we opened up the mini split. There's a little lock mechanism that holds the wire in place. You unlock that, put the wire from the bottom. They are color coded and numbered, so you follow the number and it will match with the corresponding color on the other side. You go ahead and screw those into each place, 1, 2, and 3, and then it does have a ground. The ground, you're going to have to put the screw on the outside and then screw it in after connecting it with the wire. You put the little locking mechanism to hold the wire in place so that it doesn't come loose. Screw it in. After that, we start messing with the copper. We release the pressure. It does come pressurized. If pressure doesn't come out, that shows there's a leak. This one, it was pressurized, so everything was in good working condition and good to install. Here we got everything and wrapped it up in its foam and with tape after connecting the copper together. And you're going to keep going with the tape all the way to the end. Here my uncle went ahead and drilled a hole into the wall that we had marked. And then he went all the way in through the brick, which will come out the other side. We went ahead and ran the wires with the copper through, hung it. Here we opened it up. We're connecting the cables for power. Again, everything is numbered and color coded. We decided to put ours on blocks to keep it above ground just in case there's a lot of rain. Of course, you put the little lock mechanism again to hold the wire in place so that it doesn't shift. And you're connecting the cables that go to the inside of the mini split that'll run the power in. Everything is color coded and numbered, which makes the job a lot simpler. My grandfather has a lot of experience with this, so he went ahead and did this for me. He connected the piping. Went ahead and got the outside of the mini split working.